Welcome back, second grade writers. Today we're going to continue with lesson 8 for Unit 5, Module A. Our vocabulary word for this lesson is orchards. So an orchard means a garden that grows fruit trees. So for example, this would be an apple orchard. Our lesson objectives for today. Our conventions objective is I will be able to use adverbs to expand or make longer complete simple sentences. Our writing objective is I will be able to write an opinion paragraph and supply reasons that support the opinion. Expand simple sentences with adverbs. Sometimes writers want to add descriptive details to their writing. To do so, they may expand a simple sentence by adding an adverb. A simple sentence includes a subject and a verb and tells a complete thought. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. We can add adverbs to our simple sentences to make the sentences more descriptive. So let's look at our example here. John made his way west. John slowly made his way west. I will plant apples. Tomorrow I will plant apples. So adverbs usually tell how, when, where, or to what extent. In these sentences, the adverb slowly tells how, while the adverb tomorrow tells when. So in your online writing journal, you're going to add an adverb to the simple sentences below. I'll read these out loud to you. He blank walked around the country planting apple trees. Number 2, John blank collected apple seeds from cider mills. So to use an example here, right, I might say that Johnny Appleseed, right, he happily walked around the country planting apple seeds, okay? So this adverb here modifies or changes this verb walked, okay? So I'm going to see if you can do number 2 on your own. Now for the writing, so understand text features. On pages 52 to 54, the writer introduces the reader John Chapman and gives us facts about his early life. Since the entire book is about John Chapman, I think that if the author used the heading Early Life for this section of text, readers would quickly know that this is the main idea of these pages. As I try to locate key facts in the text quickly, I realize that having a table of contents in this book would be very useful. If the book had a table of contents page, I could read it to see which section of the book would likely have the information I needed and then turn to that section. So let's look at this model here. While Johnny Appleseed has many helpful features such as a timeline, photographs, and illustrations, it would be easier to find information in the text if it had a table of contents and headings. Suppose I want to read just the part of the text about John planting apples. Without a table of contents or headings, I have to skim or reread the whole text to find the information I'm looking for. However, a table of contents would help me find the section about planting apples so that I could reread just that section. A heading would also make it easier for me to find this section quickly. A table of contents and headings would help me read this text more efficiently. So in your online writing journal, you're going to type in, even though the directions say in a separate sheet of paper, you're going to type in your online writing journal. So you're going to write an opinion that states whether you would add headings to the text. Or do you think the timeline gives you enough information about what is on the page? Use linking words such as and, because, and also to connect your opinion and reasons. Remember to provide a concluding statement. A lot of you are including your concluding statements, and I'm so proud of you. They're excellent so far. Okay, so I can give you a sentence starter if you need one to get started. Just make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so you might want to start out by saying, in my opinion, I would add headings to the text, and then we can use a linking word here, because, and then tell me why, right? So if we were to add headings to the text, this would help us know what the following paragraphs would be about. Now, you might think that headings are not necessary. You might think that the timeline gives you enough information, okay? So you would write the opposite, right? So just to change it a little bit, I would say, let me change the color too. Okay, so So in my opinion, the timeline gives me enough information about what is on the page because, and then you would give me your reasons and include your concluding statement. Okay, so these are just examples to help you get started. You don't have to start your paragraph like this. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll be on Google Classroom. Thank you.